One little parrot singing I love you. One more joins and making them two. Two little parrots sitting on a tree. One more joins and making them three. Three little parrots looking for more. One more joins and making them four. Four little parrots wanting to dive. One more joins and making them five. Good morning, children. So today we will be learning the addition. Welcome to the maths class. So let's see, let's learn. बेटा मैम के हाथों में क्या है? Can you see anything? Can you see anything? They are empty. I have nothing. I have nothing. Nothing means zero. Nothing means zero. मैम के हाथ में कुछ नहीं है. Okay. So ma'am will take how many spoon? One spoon. So कितने spoon से बेटे मैम के हाथ में है? One spoon. So let me add one more spoon. So all in all, one spoon, two spoon. How many spoons? One spoon, two spoons. Up, ma'am will take one more spoon. So ma'am is taking one more spoon. How many spoons now? One, two, three. One, two, three. Ma'am will take one more spoon now. One more, one more, one more. Yes. So, 1, 2, 3 and I will add. I am adding one more spoon. So, कितने spoons हो गए बेटा? 1, 2, 3, 4 spoons. How many spoons? 4 spoons. So, ma'am will add one more time. Ma'am will add one more spoon. So, this is our spoon. I have add one more spoon. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spoons. How many spoons? 5 spoons. बेटा आपको समझ में आया? That how ma'am was adding one by one spoon. पहले मैम के हाथ में कुछ भी नहीं था, right? Zero spoons were there. Zero. फिर मैम ने one add किया, right? We will see another example. Let's see. This is the plate. और मैम के यहाँ पे इसमें तो कुछ भी नहीं है. तो फिर मैम क्या करेंगी? मैम will take one biscuit. Yummy. Ma'am will take one biscuit. Okay, ma'am will take one biscuit. But one से क्या होगा मैम का? So ma'am will take one more biscuit. So how many biscuit? 1, 2, 1, 2. पहले मैम के प्लेट में कोई भी बिस्किट्स नहीं थे, राइट? लेकिन अब मैम ने 2 बिस्किट्स ले लिए. 1 बिस्किट, 2 बिस्किट. लेट्स सी अगर कोई शेयर करने के लिए आ गया, सो मैम विल टेक 1 मोर बिस्किट. सो नाउ 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 बिस्किट्स. स्टिल मैम को तो और मैम इज रियली फीलिंग वेरी हंग्री, मोर हंग्री. सो व्हाट विल मैम डू? मैम विल add one more biscuit. So how many biscuits? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. अगर मेरे बेबीज आ गए शेयर करने के लिए तो मैम विल क्या करेंगे? मैम विल add one more biscuits. So ma'am will add one more biscuits. So all in all, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many biscuits? 5. So ma'am will have it later on. Okay. First of all, I will teach you the addition. Okay. So let's see on the board. This is your maths notebook looks like. This is your maths notebook looks like. You will write the heading addition. Okay, take your mama papa's help. Mention the date here and let's see. Ma'am will draw one star. Ma'am will draw one star. How many star? One. ma'am will write the plus sign. Plus. Ma'am will write the plus sign. Plus ma'am will draw one more star. One star plus one star. How many stars? How many stars beta? 1, 2. So this is the equal to sign. जो two sleeping lines होती हैं उनको हम equal to sign कहते हैं. So all in all 1 star 2 star. We will draw here 1 star and 2 star. Okay? Is this clear? Is this clear? So let's see one more example. Ma'am wants to have the lollipop. Okay? So यहाँ पे कितनी lollipops है मैम के पास? 1 lollipop, 2 lollipops. Ma'am have 2 lollipops. Okay? But ma'am wants to have one more. Ma'am wants to have one more. So ma'am will add one more lollipop. Ma'am has written the plus sign. This is your plus sign. Okay? And ma'am wants to have one more lollipop. So how many lollipops all in all? Let's count it together. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So equal to sign. 1 lollipop, 2 lollipop, 3 lollipops. I have 3 lollipops. So children, have you understood that how we are adding the things and on the board? Ma'am has given you the live examples also. Okay? So now let's take one more example. Let's take one more example. So ma'am has one toffee. Okay? This is the one toffee. Okay? Now I will add plus one more toffee. Okay? So this is again equal to 1, 2. Again 1 toffee and 2 toffee or sweets. Okay? So this was the addition. Ma'am will give you the worksheet also. Okay? With that you can take the help and you will start your new fresh work in your maths notebook. Okay? So children, I hope this concept is clear. We have covered the addition. पहले मैम के पास कुछ भी नहीं था, राइट? मैम के हाथ एम्प्टी थे, तो मैम के पास 0 ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे. मैम के पास 0 ऑब्जेक्ट्स थे. देन मैम ने अपने हाथ में क्या लिया? मैम took spoons. Ma'am took spoons. Ma'am also showed you the example of the cookies. Okay? And I hope you will practice the concept of addition. Okay? So take care. Bye.